Okay guys, welcome back. So I'm going to tie a wee nymph pattern, just a wee fairy brown one. Now the hook and the vise is a Kamasan B175 in size 12. Tie these in 10s and 12s. Now the thread that I'm going to use to tie the fly is the Unique Thread 80 in fire orange. So we're just going to come in a couple of mil behind the eye of the hook, sort of way we want our thorax to start, if you like. And then just work our thread down past the point of the hook, remove the waist tag of thread. Now the tail, just some cock pheasant tail that has been dyed a fiery brown. I take off a good half a dozen fibres. Now, I want the tail to be roughly the length of the body over the back. Then just work my thread down, tying this in, and then just come in and clip away the waist. The rib, a small Opal Mirage tinsel. Just offer this up to the hook. Now the body's going to be dubbed, so I don't need to worry about lumps and bumps. Earl dubbing hides a multitude of sins. And fly tan. Now I'm going to work my thread back down open turns to that point there. Now I'm using the orange thread because you're going to see the orange thread through this now. This is some rabbit. It's actually a hare's ear. And it's the fur from the back of the mask. Now it's been dyed fiery brown. I've just mixed some gold light bright in with the dubbing. So work up our dubbing. Just putting that shape that we want to see into the nymph. Then we can bring up our Opal Mirage. 4 turns of the Opal Mirage is plenty. Give it a wee bit of a shine. Now, I'm just going to work my thread to the eye of the hook and then fold this back nice and tight. Trim that away. Right. Bring out some of the fur into the dressing. Now on a size 10 I do put legs on, but on a 12 I just sort of way leave it. Now thorax cover, back tiller, apologies, fiery brown, cock pheasant. Now you don't need the tips here, you're looking the broader stuff at the bottom, so you can just knock those away. Offer this up to the hook, remember with the turn, just put it in, and then you can tighten up onto it. Right. Just going to have a wee check. Yep. It's grand. And then we'll just tighten up over the cut ends, nice and tight. Then the thorax itself. This is just some of the light bright and a pearl green. You really don't need too much of this. Just a small amount. Now I've had great success in this fly on the lakes, especially when the caddis are hatching. It's also good tied with an orange thorax in the light bright. Then we'll just bring our thread to the front and then just bring over your cock pheasant for your thorax cover. Come in and trim away the waist. And then we're just going to tidy up. that to go sit back for us. With a nice orange head on the fly. And then we'll just come in and throw in a whip finish. Pull your thread tight, and then come in and trim away your tang thread. Now I'm going to bring out some of the light bright, some of the pearl into the dressing. There you go, guys. It's a great wee Nymph. Now if you don't have fiery brown, any sort of way brown dubbing will work for you. It'll work in any colour, guys. Nymphs are just, they work anyway. So don't worry about the colour, just get yourselves tan. Get yourself to the vase. Once you tie 4 or 5, you'll get into a nice rhythm. And then before you know it, you'll be sitting here for 5-6 hours. Just tying wee flies and making wee tweaks to them. That's what it's all about. So if you haven't been at the vase, get to it. Or if you've maybe stopped fly tying over the last few years, get your kit out. It's just a wee bit long, so I'm just going to take it away and get yourselves tan again. So there you go, guys. That's just a wee fiery brown Nymph. Hopefully you have got something from that. As always, many thanks for taking the time to view the video. It really is greatly appreciated, so thank you very much. And until the next time, be good. And if you can't be good, be careful. And I'll catch you on the next one, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.